Hey YouTube, so a few weeks ago I went out and I got myself a DeWalt thickness planer. Anyone who has one of those knows that they can be quite messy. They basically just spew their shavings everywhere. So today's project, I'm going to make a small portable sawdust collection. What you're going to need for this project is a 4-inch ducting, which that's already connected to my thickness planer, so I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to use a 21-gallon garbage can. I'm going to use a drill with a spade bit. I'm using 1.5 inch, but you can use whatever size you want. Some screen. Got that at a local hardware store. A heat gun with some glue and some wiring. Those are the things you'll need for this project. So I'm going to start off with drilling a bunch of holes through this garbage can everywhere. The holes, they don't have to be perfect. Just start drilling, just make lots of them. So I'll finish drilling those out and I'll be right back. There, so all the holes are now drilled and I'm happy with that, so happy with how they turned out. So now I'm just going to go around, take all the plastic off of here. That way when I go to glue the screen on here, it's going to be nice and flush. So let me clean this up a little bit and I'll be right back. Now that I've cleaned up all the holes both inside and outside, I am now ready to go and cut some of my screen strips that look like that. One thing I want to say though, when you go to drill your holes, try and kind of drill them in a line. So then instead of cutting out each individual hole, you can just cut out one long strip. Just glue it on like that. And you're covering 4 or 5 holes at once instead of just one. I need to do 14, 7 inside, 7 outside. So now the next step is gluing these pieces on. These strips, I finished cutting them out. So now what I'm going to do is just place them on here and start gluing them. First thing I'm going to do is I'll just tag them in a few different spots so it doesn't move, and then I'll go around and make sure that it's sealed all the way around. It's a tedious job, but try and do your best at this. So the better the seal is, the less shavings can escape. Also, make sure you have lots of glue before you start this, because you're going to use lots. Hey guys, so this is what the first strip looks like once it's fully glued up. It's definitely not the nicest glue job I've ever done, but hey, this is a woodworking shop here, not a beauty salon. So just take a look. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like. So I will continue with the rest of the strips, and I'll come back once they're all done. Hey guys, back here. So I finished gluing up all my strips here. 7 on the outside, 7 on the inside. So the second last step is to cover the top. I will take whatever screen I have left. I'll double layer it. Just put it on like that. Make sure I have a couple of inches on both sides. And then I'm going to secure it with this wire that I have. As I go around, and as I'm securing it, I'll weave it in and out of a few of those holes on both layers of my screen here. So that way when I secure it, the air cannot blow it off, because there's quite a bit of air backflow from the thickness planer. So let's get going. Now that it's secure, I'll take a utility knife and I'll trim up the edges a little bit. So the final step for this is you take your ducting, your 4-inch ducting, place it onto where you want it to go in. I typically like to have it on the side. Trace around it and then cut it out. Let's get going. So, as you can tell, this dust collecting system that we just built, it does not collect the super fine dust. It is more so designed to collect the big chips that the planer usually throws out and makes a mess with. I hope you guys find this video useful and helpful, and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Much appreciated. Thank you.